Kuma Ngaliko syothe sya Kenya ni mewetekana ta meukwata mwanya wa kuweta no nthini wa kambi ya Ulei mekwendekethya anewe mwanya wa Kukilya Kivevelo cha Ulei nthini wa usakuani munene ukite wa mwaka wa 2027. Ikundi yimwe ya amuika niseuvitye mutandao kwa isyitwa onetime-candidate.com ula mekwaysa ukwambiia kuthukuma matuku 25 mweini wala ukwithwa na masyitwa onthe ala mekwenda Kukitya Kivevelo Usumbi kuma Ngalikoni ya Ulei. Naende kabinane kou mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni webetangana na mutalatala hayase no kwithwa we mubango wa serikali kusakwa wala mekuona notonya kumasinda Onesimus no kutwalese.
You know, we are cutting costs, we are cutting any expense.
Ivyo vyakiweteti endena kwamba tatuelekele mwakani wa nyumbani ukuli unawende ene kumwa kuyatongo Ngaliko yoli kutangasa loko Kukilya Kivevelo cha Ngaliko yoli usindana na President William Ruto balona kwithya yatongo yaname huweto Kukitia Usumbi Ngalikoni yoli matanesa kuyetikila nuuloko Kukilya Kivevelo keu unene nyo kiende kikundi cha amuika wa Kenya na kila kibatisi teta one-time ni cha bingwa mubango wa kunenga Kenya yanya kusakwa ulama kuwana aile Kukilya Kivevelo cha Usumbi nguatanio ni yoli kuisila mutandao. Kikundi hiki na mutandao kuitwa onetime-candidate.com waloka bingwa matuku 25 mamwe wala Kenya makedwa meikuna kula kusakwano wala makuana aileta biyo Kukilya Kivevelo cha Ngaliko yoli kusindana na Musumbi wa oyum.
Hatutaki handouts, we are tired. Sini ukweli, we've seen it in all Kalao. Utakuja pesa nayo tutakula, but by the end of the day tukienda pale tunakumbuka ni one time.
Yeah. Well, let us not say these rallies are the ones to determine who is the flag bearer or who is having numbers. Let them organize town halls so that young people can have platforms to hear their views.
Itambia hii niyo kilio nene nyumufika wa tongo ibala mama kuwetekana mutandao uwendo ketho kimwendethesya muteti umwe jedukila mwene kivilo wa kikundi cha amuika Francis Masinde wale ananachona kuwetekana mutandao uwena uthina umelu na ndulikilele tune silikali wanakwithya vethi tunasiko siya kwenda kulikilelwa.
We have had a meeting with Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka. He expressed his concerns, particularly the possibility of the two-termists or Ruto himself or the government infiltrating this process merely by paying Kenyans to vote for quote-unquote a weaker candidate. And we want to assure our politicians and our leaders aligned to one-term movement that we have learned from all Kalao. Gachagua has shown us that indeed no amount of money can persuade any Kenyan to vote just because of a transactional process. The Kenyans will actually take that money, but they will vote for the right candidate. And if indeed you are worried about the, what I would call it, facilitating members to vote, then this is a political tool for persuasion. Please mobilize your supporters to vote for you in the platform. We are not funded by government. Of course not. We are not funded by government. Anyone who says that, most likely they are just in fear of the truth that is about to come up on the 25th and the 26th.
Kwena na kikundi kene kana vinda nevitete yakwe kana na atongo ya boto kwikala na kusakwala wele Kukilya Kivevelo cha Ngaliko yoli walama kuwetekana Kenya na amuika nimaile kukonywe sesoni yukumi mawoni mo walama kuwetekana wase wa Kenya ni wa musingi wa demokrasia.
I must admit here that we have had over 4,000 attempts to hack the system. We don't know if it is the government that is doing it. We don't know if it is our own political leaders that are doing it. But this is a tamper-proof platform. In this platform, no one is going to have numbers that do not come from Kenyans themselves. No bots will vote. And the Kenyans who will participate come from a specific ward. They themselves will tell us in the registration process.
It is important that the young people are given an opportunity. Subsequently, I realized that the young people possess power. So it's up to you, the young people, to harness the power that you possess in numbers and in decision making. So this process gives you that opportunity to test yourself and the power that you have.
Delivote ya bilingwa movo mutongo TV neto Onesimus Chalo.